Good morning, children. Let us resume exercise 8.1. Question number 3. What is given? Let us see. Population of Rajasthan is given to be 570 lakhs. Population of UP is given to be 1660 lakhs. Area of Rajasthan is given to be 3 lakh square kilometer. That is, and area of UP equal to 2 lakh square kilometer. What you have to find, how many people are there per square kilometer in both these states and which state is less populated. Clear? Let us start solution. First, it is given the population of Rajasthan is given to 570, this much. Population of UP is this much. Area of Rajasthan. So let us find out, that is say for first thing, that is first part is what is how many people are there per square kilometer, that is number of people per square kilometer. Here we done number of people per square kilometer equal to population number of people per square kilometer in where? In Rajasthan. Here see how many people are there per square kilometer, that is population density we have to find out. Number of people per square kilometer in Rajasthan equal to number of that population of Rajasthan, that is population of Rajasthan divided by area of Rajasthan, that is area of Rajasthan, and that is known as the population density. Okay, children? See, number of people per square kilometer in Rajasthan equal to population of Rajasthan upon area of Rajasthan. This is equal to population of Rajasthan is given to be, that is 570 lakhs. Okay, and what area of Rajasthan is given to be, what is area of Rajasthan? It is 3 lakhs kilometer square. Okay, children? So number of this implies that you can this lakh got cancelled. 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 1 ja 3, and the 3 9 ja 27, and 3 0 0. So the number of people per square kilometer in Rajasthan equal to 190 people per square kilometer, that is 190 people per square kilometer. People per square kilometer. Okay, children, this is the population density of Rajasthan. Now for this for UP, now number of people now number of people per square kilometer in UP equal to population of UP upon what? Area of UP. What is population of UP here? Population of UP is given to be 1660 lakhs. 1660 lakhs. Clear? And area of UP is 2 lakh square kilometer. 2 lakh. Area of UP is given to be 2 lakh square kilometer. Let us, children, lakh and lakh got cancelled together. This 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 0 0. That is number of people per square kilometer. Number of people per square kilometer in UP equal to 830, that is 830 people, 830 people per square kilometer. So you have found the population density of both the states, children. Clear? At a particular time, at a given point, that is number of people per square kilometer in UP equal to 830 people per square kilometer. Clear? Whereas number of people per square kilometer in Rajasthan is 190 people per square kilometer. Now, what is the next question? Which state is less populated? Here you see the which state is less populated or more populated. This is based on the population density in that particular state. So what is the second part? Second part, let us see. Which state is less populated? How will you write? It is clear from now. Now it is clear that what? See, what is clear? That Rajasthan is less populated. See, why Rajasthan is less populated? Because it's that Rajasthan is less populated. Why? Because its population density, because its number of people per square kilometer is less. That is, its population density is less than the UP. That's why Rajasthan is less populated. Okay, children. Now let us go to the next segment of the chapter. That is, what is the next segment? That is percentage. What is percentage, children? Let us write down percentage. See, as the word percent suggests that what is this? Per means 1, cent means 100, out of 100. Percent means out of 100 means 1 upon 100. That is percentage. Let us next adding is percentage. What is percentage actually? This percentage, see, percentage word, percent is derived, see, percent is derived from Latin word. It is derived from Latin word, that is Latin word percentum. Its original word is percentum. Percentum meaning, what is its meaning? Meaning per 100. Percentum means per 100, that is. It is per 100. It is per 100. So how can you define it? So see, so this implies that percentage are numerators. Write down. Percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100. So this is very clear definition. Percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100. Means if you form a fraction whose denominator is 100, then the numerator is known as its percent. Okay, percentage are numerators of fraction with denominator 100 means percent is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. Clear? So you can also write its definition like this. Percent is a fraction. Percent is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. Okay, children. Now it is very clear. Now what is symbol of percent? Symbol of percent means 1 upon 100. As you know, see, as you understand that percent means it is per means 1, 100 means 100, that is per 100 means 1 out of 100. Okay, that this percent equal to 1 upon 100. It is the numerical value of percent symbol. Okay, children. Now x percent means x upon 100. Clear? 3% means 3 upon 100. Okay, children. So percent is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. Now some conversions are there, children. How to convert a decimal into percent, how to convert a fraction into percent. Percentage when total is not 100. Where when total is not 100, then you have to take it as 100. Like, see, now converting fractional numbers to percentage. How to convert a fraction into percentage? Here, that is, let us see. Converting fractions into percentage. Converting fraction, if a given fraction is there, how to convert? For example, let us see, write 1 upon 3, write 1 upon 3 as percent. So if a fraction is given, how to convert it into percent? Solution: 1 upon 3, clear, is given. You can write 1 upon 3 into 100%. 1 upon 3 into 100 and then symbol of percent. There are two ways: 1 upon 3 into 100% or 1 upon 3 into 100 upon 100, and 1 upon 100 equal to percent. So 1 upon 3 into 100% equal to 100 upon 3 and symbol of percent. And what is 100 upon 3? 100 upon 3 is what? An improper fraction. So this has to be converted into mixed number, that is 100 upon 3, and this is equal to, children, how much? 33 and 1 upon 3%. 33 and 1 upon 3%. So in order to convert a fraction into percentage, clear, just write this fraction and multiply it by 100%. Or see, another way you can convert it: 1 upon 3 equal to 1 upon 3 into 100 upon 100. This is second way, equal to 1 into 100 upon 3 and then 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100. Okay, now this 1 upon 100 equal to percent equal to 100, that is 100 upon 3. 1 upon 100 equal to percent, so 100 upon 3 percent equal to, what is this? That is 33 and 1 upon 3%. Clear, children? So see, I think this is better, and this will be shorter distance also. This is means shortcut to find out, to convert a fraction into percent. Okay, this is how, where you have to convert a given fraction into percent. Now what is the next part? Converting decimals to percentage. Clear? Percentage when total is not 100. When total is not 100, then you have to make it 100, that is. Okay, children? Now next part is what? That is converting decimals to percentage. Converting decimals to percentage. Let us see. Converting decimals to percentage. Converting decimals decimals to percentage. How to convert decimals into percentage, children? Converting decimals to percentage, how will you convert? That is, in order to convert, that is your, let us see, for example, 0.04. See, convert 0.04, convert 0.04 to percentage. How will you convert it? It is nothing, that is into percentage. Start solution, simple. 0.04 equal to 0.04 multiplied by 100%. Okay, children. Now then what? 0.04 multiplied by 100%. Then how will you do this? That is into this 0.04 equal to what? 4 upon 100. That is 4 upon 100 multiplied by 100. 100%, that is, it is given. What did you do? 0.04 is given. Now 0.04 multiplied by 100 and then symbol of percent. Clear? Then 0.04 equal to 4 upon 100. Clear? And into 100. 100 and 100 got cancelled. Clear, children? That is what? And this is equal to 4%. 0.04 has been converted into percentage and it is now 4%. Another way also is there, that is what? 0.04 equal to 0.04 multiplied by 100%. Clear? Don't convert it into fraction. This is 100 4 equal to, this is 100 4 this is 400, and number of decimal places after the decimal point, that is 4.00. This is equal to again 4%. So there are several ways to find out. Clear? It is up to you how you choose it. Clear? So converting decimals to percentage also you have seen. Now next one is converting percentage to fractions or decimals. Converting percentage. How will you convert percentage into converting percentage to fractions? Converting percentage to fractions. Converting percentage to fraction. Percentage into fraction. How will you do it, children? See, in order to understand it, let us take an example. The text has no value. Here, convert 45.5%. Convert 45.5% into a fraction. At the beginning only, children, I told what is fraction, what is percent. Percent is a fraction with 100 as its denominator. Okay, start solution. See, 45.5%. 45.5% equal to 45.5 and percent equal to 1 upon 100. Okay, now this is 45.5 upon 100. That will be, see, that you can write it down. Now this, what is this? This is 100. Now this decimal point will be shifted to the, see, into fraction you have to convert. Now let us see. This implies that now 45.5 is the decimal point is shifted to the right hand side by one digit. That is 455. Since you shifted the decimal point of numerator by one digit, decimal point to the right hand side by one digit. So here 10 will be increased in denominator also. That is 1000. 455 upon 1000, and now you cut it out by this 5. This is 5 9 is 45 and 5 1 is 5 upon 5 2 is 10, 5 0 0. This is now 5 0 0. This is 91 upon 200. So when we converted this 45.5% into fraction, then you got what? 91 upon 200. Okay, children, what is the next part? How to convert a percent into decimal. how to convert percent into decimal, that is converting percentage into decimal. Converting percentage into decimal. Let us take an example, that is whenever you want to convert a percentage into decimal, let us take a question. Convert 0.25% into a decimal fraction, into a decimal. Clear? What if we have to do that? See, start solution. 0.25%. This is 0.25%. It can be written as what? As you know that percent means 1 upon 100. It is 0.25 upon 100. Okay, children. Now you see, this is how much? This is 25 upon what? This is either you can directly write, or you see. First you convert it into simple fraction, that is 25. Here decimal point, the decimal point is shifted to the right hand side by 2 digits, so it is 25 upon 2 more zeros will be increased. Here 2 zeros already and 2 more zeros, that is 10,000. Now here see the number of zeros in denominator, that is 4. It means the decimal point will be shifted 4 digits to the left. Clear? From 25, that is, this is equal to here 5,200, that is 5200, and then 0.0025 means while converting a percentage into decimal, that is your question is convert 0.25% into decimal, then 0.25% equal to 0.25 upon 100, because percent equal to 1 upon 100 equal to 25. See, when you decimal point is removed from the denominator by 2 digits, that is 25 upon, that is 10,000, and see number of zeros in denominator 1 2 3 4, and it will be shifted to the left by 4 digits, and it is 0.0025. children. Okay, children, this is how we converted percentage into decimal. How to convert percent into ratio? Converting percentage into ratio. Same thing. Ratio is nothing but fraction only. How to convert this percentage into ratio? There is no problem actually. Ratio is fraction only. Convert 72% into ratio. Example, let us take. Convert 72% into ratio. So see, there is no problem. This is like fraction only. Start solution. 72% is there. It can be written as 72 upon 100. Clear? And this is 72 upon 100. Now you can cut it. That is what? By 4. That is 4 1 4. That is 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 4 2 ja 8, and 4 5 ja, that is 18 upon 25. Clear, children? 18 upon 25 is nothing but 18 is to 25. That is 18 is to 25. So this is just clear, like how you converted your this percent into fraction. This ratio is nothing but fraction only. Ratio is nothing but fraction only. To convert a given ratio, when ratio is given, then how will you convert into percent? It is just the same thing. When converting a given ratio, converting a given ratio into percentage, converting a given ratio into percentage, children. Okay, there is no problem, children. Let us move to the next part of the board, that is, what is the next part of the board? Converting a given ratio into percent. Converting a given ratio into percent, that is, let us take an example and your doubt will be clear. convert 5:6. Convert 5:6. Example is convert 5:6 into percent into convert 5:6 into percentage. How will you convert, children? There is nothing. 5:6 means 5/6 only. Start solution. 5:6 equal to 5/6 only. Clear? What is 5/6? 5/6 and this 5/6 multiply it by 100%. Multiply it by 100%. What is this? Now you solve it and find the answer. That is equal to 500 upon 6%. Clear? So this is now 2 3 is 6 and this is 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10 and 2 0 0 equal to how much? That is children this is 250 upon 3. 250 upon 3%. Clear? 250 upon 3 is an improper fraction. Clear? When you convert it into mixed number by dividing 250 by 3, then it is equal to 83 and 1 upon 3. 83 and 1 upon 3%. So how? Divide 250 by 3. This is 3 8 is 24 and 5, this 1 is there 0, then 3 3 is this is 3 3 is 9. Clear? And this is what? 1. What is the structure of mixed number or mixed fraction? Quotient and remainder upon divisor. Quotient and remainder upon divisor. This is equal to 83 and 1 upon 3%. Okay, children? So this is how clear you can convert a ratio into percentage. Clear, children? Now this is enough for today's class. Clear? The remaining things we will see in the next class. Okay, children? Thank you and have a nice day. Okay, children, so you are supposed to solve all the remaining question yourself. Clear? Then only clear you can move ahead and in your examination clear you can solve all the questions to get perfection.